Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to talk about how to write a persuasion letter about packing. In some cases, the importer may want to change packing. However, the exporter cannot accept it, or the change of packing involves extra charges. Therefore, the exporter may write to persuade the importer to change packing or bear the extra cost. So, today's learning objective is how to write a letter of persuasion. First, let's read a letter from the importer who wants to change the out packing from cardboard carton to wooden case. Dear sirs, thank you for your cooperation. After inquiring our clients, we'd like to change the packing of order number 4523 as follows. Number 1. The products should be packed in window packing so that the products can be seen directly, which will help to promote the sales. Number 2. The transportation packing should be wooden cases lined with waterproof paper in order to stand the rough handling during loading and unloading. Please mark the cases with shipping mark, which includes the destination and contract number as attached. We sincerely hope that you will make necessary improvements so as to avoid unforeseen troubles arising from faulty packing. Your early response will be much appreciated. Yours sincerely, Adam Gordon. The language points in this letter is stand, 经受,承受. For example, I hope you all are strong in mind to stand the rough competition nowadays. Shipping mark. Identifying word, number, or symbol placed on freight to designate the consignee, destination, weight, and related information. 说到运输标志，我们要特别注意，我国海关总署规定，对进出口货物及包装上带有违反一个中国原则的内容的，不得进出口。比如，台湾出货到大陆不写 China 退回，因此只标明台湾，没有体现 China， 不能够进口或出口。这项规定自1999年施行至今，从未改变。那么，从上述这封来信中，我们看到进口商提出了2个包装修改建议。第一条是内包装改为开窗式包装，第2条是考虑到纸箱不够牢固，无法承受运输途中的粗鲁搬运，而改用木箱包装。出口商收到类似的信函之后，不能一味地迎合外商而无条件答应。我们要及时了解我国和国际上对进出境货物木质包装的相关规定和最新进展。根据法规，有理有据地向对方明确提出木质包装检疫检验及处理要求，约定相应的违约责任条款。我们要严格自律，避免因小失大，造成不必要的贸易纠纷和经济损失。如曾有新闻报道，为什么出境木质包装频频遭退运？外贸一级警告，进出口货物包装不如实报检，或将严惩。一批货物木质包装受潮霉变，出口至美国全被退运。因此，对于上述信中进口商的要求，我们最好能劝说对方放弃木箱，仍旧改用硬纸箱包装。那么怎么来写呢？我们先来回顾下学过的写信策略。坏消息应与商务信函中传达的是负面的消息的信息，如投诉函、改正函等批评或拒绝类信函。因此，在写信时，往往采用间接归纳方式，即先给出解释理由，然后提出坏消息，减少坏消息给对方带来的伤害。一份典型的坏消息应与商务信函一般都有一个缓冲，即在信开头并不直接给出坏消息，而是以一个积极的，至少是中性的实施开始，然后提供相应的背景信息，提出原因或给出解释。第3部分才提到坏消息，第4步表示对对方的关心，提出一个解决问题的可行性建议。而劝说性信函的目的在于说服对方认可你的观点，或者说服对方采取具体行动。在说服的过程中，礼貌起着至关重要的作用。只有礼貌有加的信函，才会给对方一个好的印象，使对方有接受劝说的意图。因此， 根据上述思路，在这封回信中，我们在信的开头并不直接告知对方不能使用木箱，而是以一个积极的态度开始，表达我们会非常努力地满足你方的要求，然后告知对方你接受对方提出的内包装要求，接着提出纸箱包装使用非常广泛，有着诸多的优点，让对方放心使用纸箱包装，消除对方的顾虑。同时告知木箱包装存在一些问题，接着指出若对方一定要用木箱包装，则要承担额外的费用。Here is a sample reply for your reference. Dear Sirs, we have received your letter of August the 1st, and will try our best to satisfy your requirements. As for the inner packing, we shall follow your instruction.We will pack the goods in accordance with the packing terms given in the contract. The goods will be packed in a Ziploc-style plastic bag first, and then in a box with transparent window, 10 pairs to a box. For the out-packing, our usual packing in cardboard cartons has been widely accepted by our overseas clients, which has numerous advantages. First, it is quite suitable for transport by sea,which is quite popular in international trade. Second, the cartons with waterproof paper lining can protect the goods from dampness, which is better than wooden case. There was a report that a shipment was returned by American customs because the wooden cases got moldy for the dampness. Third, the cartons are more convenient to handle in the course of loading and unloading,as they are comparatively light. Fourth, it can save the freight for the light weight of packing. We can certainly use wooden cases if you still insist, but there will be extra charges, which not only include the wooden case itself and the extra weight, but also refer to the application of certificate of inspection of outbound cargo of wooden packing.We hope the above comment will be acceptable to you and look forward to your early reply. Today we've looked at the letter about packing persuasion. Hope you enjoy the class. Thank you for watching.